Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys. Thank you so much to Ohuhu for sending me this amazing polygel kit. This does include 12 polygels along with a lot of extra goodies that you will be seeing me unbox here today. So thank you once again to Ohuhu for sending me this amazing rainbow polygel kit. I will have everything linked down below in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing. It's definitely an amazing kit, and it brings a nail clipper along with a cuticle nipper, cuticle pusher. It brings a lot of nice goodies, and as you guys can see, look at the variety of polygels that you receive. I definitely loved this polygel, and you guys will see for yourself how flawlessly it just glides on when you're undoing the polygel onto the nail. I did do the lazy girl method for this video. It's super easy and super beautiful, and you can literally wear this either on a regular day or for Valentine's Day. It's up to you. It's definitely one of those looks that is versatile. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys once again for all the love and support. And I'm sorry if I sound kind of weird. I literally just woke up and I decided to do this voiceover for you guys. So if you guys know me, you know that I absolutely love glitter. So I loved how this kit includes 4 glitters, and they are just beautiful fine glitters. I did end up incorporating the fuchsia pink one onto the nail look that I created today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I am so excited for you guys to see the final results of the nail set. So this polygel kit does bring 12 different polygels. They are each 15 grams, and here I'm just swapping them and then curing them and showing you guys what all the colors look like and all the colors that this kit includes. So first I'm going to start by pushing back the cuticles, and then I'm just going to trim my nails with the nail clipper that it included, just for my nails to be a little bit more neater. And then I'm going to begin with this tutorial. So I didn't show any prep in this video. I do have a video that I recently posted for in-depth nail prep tutorial. So here, after I apply the base coat, this I use it as an adhesive to whatever I want to apply inside the nails, because like I said earlier, I am doing the lazy girl method. So here I decided to just apply some really cute hearts, and then I'm going to move on to applying some foil along with some glitter. After that, I will be curing it under the UV lamp for 30 seconds, and then I will get onto the polygel. So I decided to go with RB02, this beautiful pink, and I'm just going to be applying it onto the nail. And by the way, as a slip solution, I decided to use the base coat that it came with, and it works absolutely flawlessly. You guys will see here for yourselves. So what I love about this polygel is that it is beginner friendly and anybody could use it. It's so easy to use. As you guys can see, look how beautifully and flawlessly it glides on. It's not a difficult polygel to work with, and it's also not runny, so it's just the perfect contrast. I absolutely loved it, and I have no complaints about this polygel. I really recommend it. It's great. By far, I haven't received a polygel that I haven't liked, so this is definitely one of my favorites so far because I just loved how flawlessly it literally glided onto the nail. So here you guys will continue to see more of that, and thank you guys once again for watching. Now I'm going to place the nail on and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And by the way guys, I forgot to include it in the video because I forgot. Before applying the actual nails on, remember to apply some base coat onto the nail plate, cure it under the UV lamp, and then go ahead with the lazy girl method or however you're going to be applying the polygel. I just forgot to do so in this tutorial, but remember that is very important. So now you guys will just see me repeat the same process for the rest of the nails, and I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. Let me know down below what you guys think about this video. I really liked it. I wanted to go for something simple but cute and also Valentine's Day themed, or also a look that you could wear on a regular day. So yeah, I hope you guys are liking this video so far. So here are what the nails look like. You could definitely put on a shiny coat and they'll look beautiful, or you can do a matte top coat. I decided to go for a matte top coat because I have been into matte nail looks lately, so that is what I decided to go for. Here I am just grabbing a buffer and removing the shine from the nails since I will be applying my own top coat. I definitely recommend you guys try this 3 set of base coat, top coat, and matte top coat. It's only $6.99 on Amazon and it's very great. I absolutely loved it. So here I'm just applying the matte top coat to all the nails, and next we will move on to applying the cuticle oil. So here, this is the cuticle oil I will be using. I will have everything linked down below in the description box. I absolutely love this cuticle oil. The presentation is just beautiful and the scent is delicious. So here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.